Hello everyone, today we will take a peek on the USB colorful humidifier. For this product, you can buy via online like Lazada, eBay, Shopee, and other online shops. You can select 3 colors, which are pink, white, and navy. So here you can see the description, and the amount of spray is 30 to 45 ml per hour. So when I check online, it was like around $4 to $5, and I choose the color navy. Let's see what's inside. Let's open the box. Alright, so everything is out. These are the things inside the box, and you can see here the H20 humidifier. It's a brand, and this one is the power button, and the other side is the micro USB slot. This item is quite handy if you're a traveler. Just put that in your bag, and then when you reach the hotel, you just get it and then plug, then you're good to go. Alright, so the next item is the micro USB cable. This is popular among Android phones. You can also use this for your phone. And the next one is the user manual. You can see it's written in Chinese. Well, good thing there's an English language, so you just follow the instructions. Do not worry guys, the instruction is quite very easy, so you won't have any difficulties. So the next is the filtered cotton swab. This is essential for the humidifier. Since you need to change like 2 to 3 months, I suggest you buy like good for 1 year. It's quite very cheap. Let's see inside. Just twist gently, then pull. It doesn't matter if you do counter or clockwise. This one is your container. This is where your water will be stored. And see, I'm testing this swab. And this is the tube. Just gently twist and pull. Also guys, do not lose the spring, especially this one. If you lose that one, then the cotton swab will not align, and you will not get any mist or spray. If you want to return the tube, just twist and gently push. Since we know already the parts, I think we are ready to begin. Let's go to the first one, which is the step 1. So let's pour water, but do left ½ inch to avoid spill on the container. Be reminded not to use mineral water or tap water because they contain some substances that may contaminate our container and cause bacteria, so you don't want that to happen. So proceed to step 2, soak filter for a few seconds. Some reviews, they soak the filter for like 2 to 5 minutes. I don't know why, but few seconds is enough guys, trust me. Okay, so step 3, remove the filter, insert in the tube. See the spring? That's the purpose of the spring. And then twist and push. Also make sure our top cover is securely locked to avoid spill and air. Once done, get your micro USB cable. Let me just try to untie, and then go to step 4, which is plug in your micro USB cable. Okay, so let's go to step 5. Turn on power. Just push the button. See, it's providing some mist. It's working already. It's already spraying, guys, and it's very cool. It's a cool mist. You can use this in your car when it's summer, very hot, and also if you're using air condition. Now let's go to button functions. Press the button once, then it activates the intermittent mode. It's more on like having an interval. It's I think for 3 seconds I tried to measure 1, 2, 3, and there you go, it sprays again. So interval of 3 seconds, then press again so to turn it off. Okay, let's do it one more time. Push once, continue spraying, second press, intermittent mode, and lastly is to turn it off. Press again. Very easy, guys. Alright, so let's go to the fun part. It's the light function. Press and hold, you'll get a bright light, and then press and hold again, get a colorful light. Actually, it's like a disco ball. You know, just get some music and then do the groove. But it's quite nice at dark, very colorful. Then lastly, just press and hold again. It will disable the light, but it still continues spraying. So let's try again. Press and hold, bright light for the first one, and then let's press and hold again, which is the second one, which is the color light. And to turn it off, press and hold again. Alright, we're done. But wait, guys, let me just give you an insight on how to clean our humidifier. It helps to remove any contamination and avoid bacteria. So not required every day, just 3 to 5 days is fine. First, let's remove the parts. Let's remove the tube, twist and pull. And this is a reminder, do not wash or pour any water of this, because it's gonna destroy the humidifier. It won't function. And also our spring, never lose this one, guys. This is very important as well. Mainly you just need to clean 2 parts, which is the container. Use any detergent or dishwashing soap, that should be fine. Just scrub. And then the second one should be the tube. Scrub again.